Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we continue our dive into division with two-digit divisors. I know you're excited. I've got two problems we're going to work in this video. 120 divided by 24 and 432 divided by 24. I've already listed my multiples of 24. 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, and 216. So I've already listed those multiples. So the first one we're going to do is 120 divided by 24. And I ask myself, will 24 go into 1? Myself says no. I ask myself, will 24 go into 12? Myself says no. I ask myself, will 24 go into 120? Yes. So I'm going to have a one-digit quotient. I don't know if there's a remainder or not. Then I look here, and I go down 24, 48, 72, 96, 120. Boom! Since 24 times 5 equals 120. My answer is 5. There's nothing left after I subtract, so no remainder. Boom! Next I have 432 divided by 24. And I ask myself, will 24 go into 4? I tell myself no. I ask myself, will 24 go into 43? Myself says yes, which tells me I have a two-digit quotient. I don't know if there's a remainder or not. I don't care yet. Now I see how many times 24 goes into 43. I go over here and look. I got 24, 48. Oop, 48's too big. So it can only go in one time. So 24 times 1 is 24. I subtract, and I get 19. And when I subtract, I always want to get a number smaller than my divisor. 19 is smaller than 24, so we're good shape. I bring down my 2. Now I go over here and I need to find 24 goes into 192. And I'm just, oh, 24 times 8 is 192, so exactly. Subtracting 0. Don't tell anybody, but these are two of the questions on an assignment you'll do on October 30th. Which is tomorrow. Let's look at one of the other questions that we'll do on October 30th. And that question is blank divided by 23 equals 21 remainder 4.
I hate these questions.
Or, we don't know what it is here, 23 and it equals 21 remainder 4. Now the way problems like this work is you take your quotient and that's a Q, and you multiply it times its divisor. So our quotient is 21, our divisor is 23, and then you add your remainder. And my remainder is 4. So I take this times this, and add my remainder. So if I do 21 times 23, that's 3 and that's 6, and I have to put a 0 now because I'm moving to the tens place. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. I add these two products together, and I get 483. So I've done this. Then I need to add 4 to check it. 483 plus 4 is 487. So if I did my math correctly, 487 would be my correct answer, because that's what goes here. I can check it. Am I still on screen? All right. 23 doesn't go into 4, 23 does go into 48, so I'm gonna have a 2-digit. 23 goes into 48, 2 times, because 2 times 23 is 46. Subtract, and I get 27 after I bring that down. 23 goes into 27 one time, because that's 23. Subtract, and I get 4 with a remainder of 4. So my answer to this question is 487. If you watch this video, it'll help you, and we'll do some more with this. Boom. Shakalaka. Peace out. God bless. Love ya. Do something kind today.
Save the bees.
Save the bees.